Dear friend, today I want to tell you something about the comparative anatomy, digestive system. The digestive system process in which solid food particles or insoluble substances break down into small pieces or soluble particles through different chemical reactions and different enzymes by a system is called digestive system. Today I focus in digestive system in the following substances: at first food, nutrition, ingestion, digestion, absorption and assimilation. At first I focus on food, any substance that people eat or drink or plants take to maintain life, to perform activities and growth is called food. Purposes of food: the first, food as a fuel which provides energy and material for body maintenance. Second, food for movement of body including muscles contraction. 3. Food for growth as well as for the synthesis of body substances. In contrast to plants, the animals get their food from their environment in the form of animal and vegetable food and water. Classification of food: animal food constitutes can be classified: number A, according to their chemical composition; number B, according to their function in the body. Number A, on the basis of their chemical composition, the nutritive substances are classified into: number 1, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, mineral salts, vitamins and water. Number B, on the basis of their function, the body nutritive substances may be following: number 1, energy producer. Example: carbohydrates and fats. 1 gram carbohydrate gives 4.1 calories. 1 gram of fat gives 9.3 calories. Number 2, bodybuilders. Example: proteins, mineral salts and water. Number 3, protectors or regulators. Example: mineral salt and vitamins. Explanation of chemical composition: the nutritive substances are classified as carbohydrate. Their formula CX whole H2O into Y. It is an important and ready energy source. When it is depleted, fat is metabolized. Consequently, large amount of ketone bodies are excreted in the urine, ketosis. When fat stores are exhausted, protein becomes ultimately source of energy. Fats. Number 2, fat is required for only because it is a high energy source, but because it carries vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. It contains essential unsaturated fatty acids such as linoleic acid and linoleic acid. Number 3, proteins. It is a vital for the growth and metabolism of the body. The nutritional value of proteins depend upon the kinds of amino acids it contains. Of the 20 amino acids, 8 like valine, leucine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, lysine, isoleucine, methionine, and threonine are essential or indispensable, as these cannot be synthesized in the body. Amino acids requirements of the young are different. Consumption of protein increases heat production in the body. Animals with low protein diet lose protein from their liver rapidly, ultimately causing liver neurosis and severe proteins malnutrition is called kwashiorkor. Number 4, mineral salt. It is available in a small quantity in a cell. They are essential to regulate the various metabolic activities of the animals. Since they are regularly used in the body, they should be taken in the food. For the normal functioning of the body, the following mineral salts are important. These are calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, iron, sulfur, copper, cobalt, zinc, iodine, chlorine, etc. Number 5, vitamins. Vitamins are very useful. A list of vitamins and their usefulness given in separate table. Oxidation of 1 gram carbohydrate yields 4.1 calorie. 1 gram of protein gives 4.1 calorie. 1 gram of fat gives 9.3 calorie energy. A man with sedentary disposition needs 2500 kilocalorie per day. A group of biomolecules which are not produced by the body but required in very small quantities for normal metabolic activities and healthy growth of humans and animals are called vitamins. There are two types of vitamins. Number 1, water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin B, and fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. In 1911, Funk called these substances as vitamin. Number 6, water. Water is an essential constituent of protoplasm, which forms the physical basis of life. Though it does not yield any energy, protoplasm has nearly 90% of water. This water is obtained through three sources such as number 1 through drinking as such, number 2 along with food which is dissolved in it, number 3 water formed as a result of oxidation of food materials, i.e. metabolic water. Second point, today I focus on nutrition. Nutrition is a process of intake of nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, mineral salt, vitamins, and water by an organisms, as well as utilized of these nutrients by the organisms, or nutrition is a substances which an organism obtain from its surroundings and uses it as a source of energy or for biosynthesis of its body constitute like tissues or organs. The main objectives of nutrition are: number 1, to provide energy to the body for various life activities. Number 2, to maintain body temperature or heat. Number 3, to make available material for renewal of protoplasm. Number 4, to provide material for growth. Modes of nutrition. Modes of nutrition means method of procuring food or obtaining food by an organism. There are mainly two modes of nutrition. The first, autotrophic, and second, heterotrophic. Auto means the self and trop means the nutrition. An organism which obtain their food from the other organism, or an organism make or synthesis its own food from the simple organic materials like CO2 and water present in the surroundings with the help of light energy is called autotrophic nutrition. Example, all plants, exception Euglena and Volvox. Heterotrophic nutrition. Hetero means the other and trop means the nutrition. An organism which cannot make their food themselves, they obtain their food from the other organisms, are called heterotrophic nutrition. The types of heterotrophic nutrition or mode of heterotrophic nutrition are three types. Number 1, saprozoic or saprotropic nutrition. Number 2, parasitic nutrition. Number 3, holozoic nutrition. Number 1, saprozoic or saprotropic nutrition is that nutrition in which an organism obtains its food from decaying organic matter of dead plants, dead animals, and rotten breads or rotten fruits are called saprozoic or saprotropic nutrition. Second, parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition is that nutrition that an organism obtains its food from the body of other living organisms, or this is called host, without killing it, called parasitic nutrition, fungi, bacteria, and amoeba etc. And holozoic nutrition means feeding on solid food. Holozoic nutrition is that nutrition that an organism takes the complex organic food materials into its body by the process of ingestion of food, digestion, and then absorbed into the body cells of the organism. Examples in most of the animals. The third point, today I focus on ingestion process, the process in which taking food into the body is called ingestion. In short, ingestion means taking food by the animal. Ingestion refers to the act of taking in food or eating. Feeding habits of animals are diverse depending on the habit and the nature of food available. The food materials may be of soluble type food or particulate types of food. Feeding mechanism of animals are broadly grouped into three categories. Number one, mechanism for dealing with small particles. They are further of the following types. Number one, pseudopodial feeding. Number two, ciliary or flagellar feeding. Number three, mucoid feeding. Number four, tentacular or sectose feeding. Number five, muscular feeding. Number two, mechanism of dealing with large particles. Number one, swallowing in active food. Number two, four, scraping and boring. Number two, scraping the boring. Number three, seizing the prey. And number A, seizing of prey. For seizing only. Number B, for seizing of masticating. Number C, for seizing flowing by external digestion. Number 3 point, mechanism for taking in fluids or soft tissues. Number A, for peering and sucking. Number 2, for sucking only. Number C, for absorption through the body surface. If, dear friend, if you like, you subscribe. Thank you.